Meaning of John Muir.
John Muir.
John Muir.
John Muir.
John Muir. John Muir was a Scottish-American naturalist, author, and early advocate of wilderness preservation. He is primarily known for his work as a conservationist and is often referred to as the father of the national parks. His activism helped to preserve some of the most beautiful and unique natural areas in the United States, including Yosemite Valley, Sequoia National Park, and the Grand Canyon. Muir's writings about his travels and experiences in the wilderness are also widely read and appreciated for their poetic lyricism and appreciation of the natural world.